What's up everybody, so got this forest fruit tea here, a moment to refresh. Forest fruit, so still with the tea series, still not finished yet. Check the description for a playlist of it. Get this open and give it an initial smell. Struggling. Maybe I should have opened it better, huh? Yeah, I'm having a seizure, man. No, look. The shit is actually stuck to the bottom. Look at this shit. You're pulling as hard as you can, yeah, but you can't because it's stuck to the bottom of the packaging. What bloody idiot done this, man? What a fucking dickhead. Oh, you gotta be shitting me, man. The whole tea bag's just exploded, man. Look at this shit. It's got like nits and shit in it. What's going on here, mate? Man, looks like the manufacturing guy had a seizure when making this. Or is it just heat causing condensation and that? Now seriously, what is going on with this tea bag? Look at this shit, hun. Bruh, that is some next mess shit, man. The smell, it smells fruity. It smells broken. I'm not nowhere am I drinking this. You know what? I might actually just drink this to see what the heck, man. It smells okay. It's just like the busted tea bag. Sticky and shit. I'm gonna vacuum the table now. Get the water boiled and see what it tastes like then. So we're back to this table, still got the mess all over the place. Look at this shit. So Len's getting fogged up. Oh well. It's got a nice fruity smell to it. Added some sugar for better taste. Check the other video where I talked about why adding sugar is better. No way, I just said it there, man. It's better taste, isn't it? Yeah. So I dip it about. No need for a spoon. Got a nice fruity smell, man. Sort of like a strawberry, raspberry, and a bit of tea smell. Well, this is tea anyway, so yeah. But like the taste is, watch how it's not even going to be there. It's just the smell. So let it like brew for like 5-10 minutes. Not even 10, like 5 minutes will do, and then give it a taste. Right, so it's been about 5 minutes now, and looks to me as though it's gone a bit darker. Oh look, Len's fogging up again because of the steam. Give it a taste test. Really bloody hot. Sugary because I added the sugar. I think I added way too much. And there's like a slight hint of black currant or something. There's a slight hint of that black currant stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. No other fruit taste. Load of bollocks.